It's common for extensions to be located in near physical locations. Sometimes, a user might step away from their desk right as their extension starts to ring. In these scenarios, another user can easily pick up the call remotely from their own extension, instead of having to physically move to the ringing desk. We already saw that you can use the 807 alaus, the extension number, to directly pick up the call in the list of feature codes. However, if this situation occurs frequently among a group of users, you can assign those extensions to a dedicated pickup group for better efficiency. Step 1. Accessing the Pickup Groups module. To create a pickup group, you must navigate to HaPBX, select Applications, and then click on Pickup Groups. Step 2. Configuring the group and adding members. First, enter a description to clearly identify the purpose of this group. Next, we need to add members. You can add as many members as you want by clicking the green ADD button in the right-hand corner. You can remove any member from the group by clicking the red trash button located to the right of the entry. Step 3. Defining membership privileges. Members are configured with two key privileges. The first defines whether or not they are a member. If they are a member, their calls can be picked up by others in the group. The second privilege defines whether or not they are allowed to pick up. If they are allowed to pick up, they can retrieve calls ringing on another member's phone. By combining these two options, you can precisely select who can pick up calls and whose calls can be picked up within the pickup group. Once satisfied with your configuration, click Save and apply changes. Your pickup group is now ready to improve call handling efficiency.